Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to record audio in Audacity. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. Now first of all guys, in this video I'll show you two things. The first is how to record your PC audio and the second is how to record your own voice. So first of all I'll show you how to record your own voice. For that we just have to go to audio setup and select the host as MME, and once you do that just go to the recording device and here we have to select our mic. So my mic is from Blue Yeti, so I have just selected that, and once you do all these things just click on this red icon and yeah, there you go. This is how you can record your voice from mic in Audacity. And now it's time to show you how to record your PC audio. To record your PC audio we just have to go to audio setup again and here click on host and we have to select this on Windows WAS API, and if you are not able to find this option you can just click on edit and click on preferences, and once you click there, here you will find the option for host and from here you can just change it. So once you do that, again click on audio setup and in the recording device we have to select that device which we are using to hear the voice from our PC. I'm using headphones right now, so I'm just going to click on headphones, and once you do that just click on this red sign and now you can see the recording is started. But let me play the music, and once I click there you can see the recording is started, and now the Audacity is recording my PC audio, and that's how you can just record your PC audio in Audacity. And now you can see what Audacity recorded. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can record your audio in Audacity. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.